The order of operations is a way that we can operate on number sentences and always get the same answer as everybody else. It tells us to always do groups first. Those are parentheses, brackets, the fraction bar. Exponents are next. Those are the same as powers, like 3 to the second. Multiplication and division go at the same time. They go the first one that you see from left to right. And addition and subtraction is the same thing, the first one you see from left to right. I can use what's called the funnel method, which basically does one problem at a time. I start by saying, do I have any grouping symbols in this problem? No. Exponents? Yes. Start with 8 squared, that's 64, minus 3 times 2. I'm going to rewrite the whole problem. The next thing on my list is multiplication and division. So I do this next, but I don't change the order. 64 minus 6. I now do my final operation, so I get 58 as the answer. It's called the funnel because it looks a little bit like a funnel. Here's a much more complicated problem. To do this, I want to think about it as two parts. Think about it as the numerator and the denominator, and do them separately. I can actually rewrite them separately if I want to, or I can leave them in the same fraction. Exponents first, so I have 49 minus 16, which would give me 33. That's my numerator. Here I've got division and multiplication. I want to do the division first since I see it first, even though M and D look like they come first in that order. This would be 22 times 2. 22 times 2 is 44. My final fraction would be putting these back. I'd have 33 over 44, which, as you may know, I can simplify by dividing by 11/11 is equal to 3/4.